Hi, my name is Alex Bell. I have been streaming on Twitch and Kick since years. I wanted to become a Twitch and Kick partner, and then I used Followers Panda's AI Kick Chatters. In this video, I will share how you can do it too. Followers Panda is one of the oldest and most reputable sites for social media services. It is a corporate and trusted website that provides services to improve your live streams on Twitch and Kick. It provides a quick and reliable way for streamers to increase their follower count, enhancing their channel's visibility and engagement. As you can hear from the lively conversation on Kick, an active chat makes a huge difference. Today, we will learn how to buy AI Kick Chatters to boost your stream's engagement. To get started, open Google and search for Followers Panda. Click on the first link that appears. Once you are on the website, navigate to the menus and click on AI Kick Chatters. These chatters are incredibly advanced because they are GPT-powered and fully context-aware. This means they understand what you are speaking about in real time and will chat intelligently with the streamer. These are instant chatters, and you can pause or resume them anytime using the control panel. You can also customize intervals and control when each chatter joins your stream. For this tutorial, we are going to buy 50 Kick AI chatters. Click on the Buy Now button. Enter your Kick username and your email, then click on Proceed to Checkout. You will receive an OTP on your email. Enter it, create your password, and continue. Now choose your payment method, Stripe, PayPal, or crypto. After adding funds, refresh the page and pay using your wallet balance. As you can see, the order is confirmed and processing. In the My Orders section, you can open the control panel and manage your AI chatters. You can pause, resume, and adjust the join intervals anytime. Now looking at the stream, you can see the chatters have already arrived. They are actively listening, understanding the stream, and sending relevant messages in real time. If this video helped you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you in the next one.